Welcome back to another one, everyone. Today it is Minnesota goose opener and early teal. This year we're doing a little goose hunt. It's been a struggle trying to find big populations of teal. It's also been a big struggle finding big population of geese as well. So it seems like we've had all these feeds and then they just disappear. More people have permission on the field somehow, they ruin it, and everything's just been a cluster this year. So we drove up to the cities this morning, north side of the cities, about a 2-hour drive I think, and hopefully we can kill some birds up here. Some guys invited us up, so shout out to them, and hopefully we can kill some. Shout out to Chance for driving up here. How was the drive this morning, dude?
Dude, it was a grind. You know, talked to a guy that was open carrying a pistol and I loved every minute of it. Evan hooked us up with fresh breakfast sandwiches, and we're hunting a 10-foot high wheat field, so I couldn't be more excited.
Bischoff's gonna be kind enough to stubble my blind for me this morning.
I'm gonna bring it to the stubble station. We got a line of kids doing some work for us, so.
Hey, is there any mergs out here, buddy?
That's what we're hoping for. You can only pray.
It's actually white. It didn't come yellow.
It is extremely wet out here this morning, so I decided to try something new. Instead of wearing, you know, big muck boots, I tried wearing the Tidewee deck boots, and they are working pretty good. They're brand new. My buddy just sent me these. Not too bad. Keeping my feet dry. My pants are super wet, but not a bad move if you're out in the morning with a bunch of dew on the ground. So if you guys want to check out some awesome Tidewee boots, I'll put a link in the description below. Check them out. All right, well, it is officially shooting time, and got a little cameraman back there. Our spread. We got some geese coming in. We got a whole bunch of boys, so hopefully we can get her done. Turning.
Who's calling it? The landing.
Yep. Get them, boys!
Get that one on the ground.
Woo!
Get those triples. Shoot that one, shoot that one! Nice shot, buddy.
Another one went down over there right on the bush. That is damn good shooting.
Grab them and come back.
Tuck them and get back in. Yep, let's go.
Jump!
Shoot that one, Dom. Shoot that one.
All right, well, it is opening morning and we are cleaning them up. Well, we're just figuring out everyone's piles. We're putting all the dead ones over here. And we're gonna get back to the blinds, and there's a bunch of geese flying around, so hopefully we can get some more in here, but the ones that are doing pretty nasty, so.
Oh yeah, we're doing it dirty.
They come back. Kill!
Don't let that get away.
There you go, boys. Those boys did work on the right side. I had confidence in them. Number 4 pack down. We got probably 18 geese or something like that, I would guess. Hopefully we can keep grinding them. Right, so confirmed, we got 18 birds down. We got another big flock coming in behind us, somewhere over there.
Just kill as many as you can. They might do another lap. Someone call it.
Wait. Kill him! All right, well, that was a good flock that just came in. These things are loving that no calling, so give you a tip early season, just lay off the calls. Once you shoot at them, you can give them a few clucks, but so we're gonna keep grinding. We're getting there, up there in numbers, but that was probably our worst shooting so far. I think everyone was kind of expecting to flock shoot, and it didn't really go as well. I probably only hit one bird out of that flock, so, but we're gonna keep grinding them.
Yeah, that's a single.
It's a crane.
Is it?
Duck baby.
Beating them up this morning.
All right, well, we got 31 birds down so far. I think like 4 volleys, so pretty good shooting overall. That last flock was kind of a botch, not gonna lie, but it is what it is. We're not mad, so everything's panning out. These birds are decoying insane. Pretty much sitting on our laps, nice 20-30 yard shots, so really can't complain. What are you thinking so far?
Hey, I can't complain. I'm living the dream, buddy. So tell me about that.
Kill! Come on, come on, come on, boys!
Not. Are you
Yep.
kidding me?
I want to go to the house.
Yep. Nice.
I shouldn't have done it that house.
Hold on. Don't shoot. You shoot the one ready? Yep, Joe.
Oh, get it.
Definitely lost.
Kill! Nice shooting, boys. All right, well,
And we are at 31.
we got 37 down now. Dropped a single, another 5-pack out front, so it's a pretty good dang day. So hopefully we can scratch our limit out. If not, we'll take them like that.
Might need to wait. Wait.
Go!
Don't let that get away, thank God.
Nice shooting, boys.
That 42.
All right, well, that's gonna wrap our hunt up today. We tried to grind out our last 8 birds, but they didn't want to play nice. We went back and put out some silhouettes to try to break down some migrators because we've seen some flying around, but we ended up with 42 birds today. So, not a bad day overall. Thanks to these guys for letting us join them on this great hunt. I think Chance is still sleeping, so shout out to him for driving up this morning. Hope you guys liked the video. Catch you guys on the next one.